S&P 500 Complete is your go-to for updates on all 500 stocks. Subscribe so you never miss out. Let's jump in. C.H. Robinson, ticker CHRW, just delivered a 660 basis point margin expansion while their AI has automated over 3 million shipping tasks. At $114 per share with a $13.5 billion market cap, this logistics giant might be sitting on massive upside potential that most investors are completely missing. First, their AI revolution is absolutely changing. They're processing over 10,000 emailed transactions daily and reduced load, processing time from 4 hours to just 90 seconds. This isn't just efficiency, it's creating a competitive moat that traditional freight brokers simply cannot replicate without massive scale and data. The numbers are incredible. Q3 adjusted EPs jumped 45.5% to $1.28. And they're targeting over 30% compound productivity growth through 2024. Their debt-to-equity ratio improved dramatically from 1.74 to 1.01, showing serious financial discipline while generating $486 million in free cash flow. They dominate a $100 billion freight brokerage market that's consolidating rapidly. With 83,000 active customers and 450,000 contract carriers globally, plus their global forwarding division growing gross profits 25.6% year-over-year. They're positioned perfectly for the inevitable freight market recovery. The cyclical opportunity is massive. They've used this freight recession to permanently reduce costs and automate processes. When demand returns, they'll have the same revenue potential, but with a fundamentally lower cost structure. That's pure operating leverage that could send margins and earnings through the roof. Analysts have an average price target of $109, with UBS going as high as $133. That's potential 15 to 20% upside from current levels, backed by 25 years of consistent dividends and a 2.2% yield. This is a quality business at what could be a cyclical bottom. Now, I have to be honest, there's one major concern that bears are absolutely right about. Their operating cash flow collapsed 69% from $1.65 billion in 2022 to just $509 million in 2024. That's a massive deterioration. That raises real questions about cash generation during this prolonged freight recession. If the recovery takes longer than expected, this could pressure their dividend and limit financial flexibility. What do you think? Are you bullish or bearish on CHRW? Is this AI transformation enough to overcome the cash flow concerns? Drop your thoughts below.